The SKYROVER S1 Mini Drone delivers impressively detailed 48 megapixel stills and sharp 4K 60 frames per second video that look far more expensive than its size suggests. Its 1/2-inch Sony image sensor and 3-axis gimbal work together to keep footage clean, stable, and usable, even when the wind picks up or you fly more aggressively. Long-range video transmission rated out to 39,000 feet gives you a strong, confidence-inspiring link, so framing distant shots feels reliable instead of nerve-wracking. With subject tracking and automatic return to home, the drone does a great job of looking after both your composition and your investment when you are busy enjoying the flight. The SmartGo shooting modes make it easy for beginners to get cinematic moves while still offering enough control that more experienced pilots can build creative sequences quickly. Because it weighs under 249 grams and still manages around 40 minutes of flight per battery, it is a very travel-friendly choice for capturing trips, real estate, or casual family outings.